So recently I have been in the market looking for a new desk for my YouTube videos. My other desk kind of fallen apart and it was small. And one of the criteria that I was looking for is a desk that had a lot of room, also has wheels that I could move around, and also one that I could stand up with. So welcome to Sid's Tips. Thank you so much for joining me. And today I look forward to sharing with you about this stand-up desk. This is the COSTWAY Mobile Height Adjustable Standing Desk. And I think it's a great value, right around $100, and really looking forward to diving in. And if you find this video of help, by the way, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and find any add value, then click that subscribe button and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. And this desk, which has got the steel frame, comes in a black base or this white base, and there are a few color options as well as the top. So first of all, the wood colors, which I have, is natural. They also have espresso, black, and white. And then you have, again, the steel frame in the white or the black. And I'll be sure to put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section so you could check it out. Now, I am about 6 feet, so from the standpoint, if I were to use this as a desk, if you were using this as a stand-up desk to work, I think it's going to be a little bit on the shorter side for somebody standing up. But I think I could make this work, which I've done some videos now using this as a stand-up and being able to do videos with. But I think it would be a little bit too short for me. When typing, you could see my arms should be more like this and they're down. So something to think about. I think that for somebody who's going to be more like 5'6", 5'7", 5'8", that might work. But I think if you are somebody who's going to use this for typing and working and closer to my height, I think you might want to look at some other options. Now, as far as steadiness, it does shake a little bit, but that's with forcing. But I think with typing, it should be fine. So I'm not too worried about that. What I also like is the desk has a curve to it, which is also nice. So you can really get closer in to the desk. So they've done a nice job. And also the other thing as well with the desk, if you want to make sure that the desk is locked in place, they do have these wheel locks, and you could just push that lever up and that will move it. If you push it down, then it keeps the wheel locked in place. So that's also something that you can take advantage of as well. Now, for the desk, it does have this, what they call the dual powerful gas rods. And I do find it does take a little bit of muscle to lower this. So you've got a lever there and you need to push down, and then you can go up in little bit increments, which is nice, but going down, you will have to use a little bit of muscle. Now, as far as the dimensions on this, for sitting at this level, this is 27.5 inches high. To go and stand up, this is 41.5 inches tall. It weighs 34 pounds, but can lift it. The desk size is 37.5 by 20.5, and I like these dimensions. This is good. And the weight capacity is 66 pounds. So that will give you an idea. As far as putting it together, I'll share with you that video of me putting it together. And also when you go to the listing and check out, they also have a very good video there too. Very good instructions, easy to put together, under an hour. Again, you just follow the steps, really not that difficult at all. There is some good information on the website as well, in addition to what I'm sharing with you here. And the last thing that I wanted to share with you are a couple of things, since we're talking about the desk, is desk chairs. Now, first of all, this chair I have, which is by the Container Store, and this is their bungee chair, and I love it. So definitely would recommend, if you are looking for a desk chair, check out the bungee chair. The other chair, if you are going to use this as a stand-up desk, this one is called it's by Very. Very has other stand-up desks, but the Very is also a chair. It's the Very Active Seat, and then you can come up like this, and you can use this to lean on to be able to work with the stand-up desk. And I love this. This is what I use at my stand-up desk for work in my office, but another great option as well. So, great deal on this desk for right around $100. This is going to be perfect for me for my YouTube videos and doing those reviews and having room here. So check it out today. Let me know if you have any questions. And here is the video of me putting it together. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.